Can you hear me now?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. So I'm starting off by just spraying my hair with just water. Drench it really until it's really damp. Then I go in with my Soften Free Argan Oil hair gel. You guys know already, this is my favourite gel. Use that to just coat all of my hair basically. I then go in with my hard brush and I brush it. So for the front I brush it backwards, and for the back I brush it forwards. I then just take a scarf, any plain scarf. I tie this around the circumference of my head and then I push the back bit forward. Once I do that, I pull the scarf again, as you can see, so it's like getting tighter each time. And to get the big Afro puff look, you push the scarf backwards from the back up more than you push the scarf at the front back, if you get what I mean. And then I just spray my puff to define my curls a bit more, and that's it. Quick, easy and simple. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.